Could you imagine a life where you're not able to tie your shoes, zip up your pants, or even button your shirt? Well, the ability to tie your shoes, button up your shirt, and even zip up your pants happened because you developed your fine motor skills. So today I'm going to explain what exactly are fine motor skills. Hey fun people, welcome back to Everything Aja. Hey, my name is Aja. Here on Everything Aja, I empower you with the knowledge and skills needed in order to shape the future the fun way, because we like to make lasting memories shaping the future, and we like to do so the fun way. If you want to make lasting memories shaping the future the fun way, then go ahead and like, subscribe, and click the bell. We're in the middle of a series all about fine and gross motor skills. Now, we've already covered what gross motor skills are and ways to develop gross motor skills through activities, and we've even covered the best educational toy that can help develop gross motor skills. But today we're going to go ahead and jump into fine motor skills, and we are going to understand exactly what are fine motor skills. Now, I define fine motor skills as the ability to use the small muscles in your hands and wrists in coordination with your eyes. My grandma used to only call it hand and eye coordination, and that's because in order to do a lot of fine motor skills activities, you are going to need really good hand and eye coordination so that you can see exactly what you're supposed to be doing. Can you imagine a life where you can't even sign your name or even sign a pay stub? Well, the ability to even pick up a pen and sign your name occurred because as a child, you developed your fine motor skills. Now, just like with gross motor skills, fine motor skills typically develop between the ages of 0 to 5. So as an infant, that may look like grabbing a ball. As a 5-year-old, that looks like picking up a pencil and trying to write your name. Fine muscles in your hands and in your wrists are needed in order to actually write. So that means kids actually need exposure to pre-writing activities in order to develop their hand and wrist muscles. Occupational therapists are professionals when it comes to fine motor skills because they specialize in developing these muscles. Now, there's a variety of ways that you can help your child or your children develop these skills. You can do things such as getting your child to pick up some scissors and actually cut, with adult supervision, that is. You can also do things such as getting them to color or write or even draw in shaving cream. I love a messy activity, although I hate cleaning it up. You can even help your child develop these fine motor muscles by playing and doing things such as building a tower with Legos, dressing up their Barbie dolls, or even pushing around their toy train. Once your child is close to 4, I would even have them practice using the mouse on a computer. You wouldn't imagine how many kids start kindergarten and they simply can't coordinate using a mouse. I know my kindergarten teachers are out there like, yes, man, woo! We spent half a kindergarten trying to teach kids how to use a mouse. Imagine if kids already came into kindergarten knowing simple things such as using a mouse or even tying their shoe, then their school time can actually be dedicated to learning academics. Like that example earlier, you probably didn't even realize that you use these fine motor skills even while you're dressing and getting ready for work. So why not expose your child to the same simple task? Get your child to actually dress themselves. This way they're able to pull up their pants, button their jackets, even put on their seatbelt. My 2-year-old already fastens herself up in her seatbelt. In fact, she doesn't even like me helping her. She's always yelling, "My turn! My turn now, Mommy!" Let me know down below in the comments. Are you with me? Like, if you just let me help you, we could be out the door by now. Even brushing their teeth or brushing their hair can actually help develop their fine motor skills, because even in brushing, they're using their wrist muscles. If you're wondering if your child or children are actually developing at an average rate, I went ahead and created a fine and gross motor skills checklist. Down below in the description, you can actually get the checklist for free. Yes, free. Put your money back in your wallet. Now, coming up next in this series, you're going to be given some fine motor skills activities or pre-writing activities that your child can do at home. If you're new to this fine and gross motor skills series, then go ahead and catch up by watching this playlist right here. And if you're not a member of the community,